JupitrrAI pricing explained, free versus paid plans. Good day everyone and welcome to the channel. So when you are trying to scale up your video production speed using AI tools, the biggest question always comes down to the math. Is it actually worth paying for a premium subscription, or can you just get by on a free tier? So today we are doing a complete in-depth breakdown of the current JupitrrAI pricing structure. We are going to compare the limitations of free tier against starter, pro, and team packages feature by feature. And by the end of this breakdown, you will know exactly which plan aligns with your video volume, so you don't waste money on features you don't need or get choked by unexpected export limits. Let's jump right into the numbers and figure that out. And also guys, if you want to try JupitrrAI yourself, you can see my link down below in the description of the video and use a code JohnCarloCores10 to get 10% off your first subscription. Okay guys, and step number 1 and section number 1, the free tier, a sandbox with stiff guardrails. So how usable is the free tier really? So let's look at the baseline first, the free tier, which sits at a $0 a month. So this tier is essentially a built-in sandbox designed for you to test out the user interface and see how the background processing logic feels before linking a credit card. So the feature deck looks decent on paper. You get access to the AI scriptwriter, the teleprompter app, standard subtitles, and the viral video search tool up to 30 times. But here's where you hit a massive operational wall. The free tier gives you exactly 0 video exports. So for example, if I go into my videos, right, I choose the video, so even this one, I can just choose this one. Then I just choose edit video. And guys, as you can see, we have this video export button right over here. If I press it, as you can see, I can't export it. I need to upgrade it to at least starter, that we will of course talk about a bit later, in order to even export the video in the first place. And also on top of that, your maximum video upload duration is capped tightly at 2 minutes. Your maximum file upload size is locked to 50 megabytes, and you can only upload 3 videos total. For your automated B-roll generation, the system limits you to standard Pexels assets instead of the premium libraries. So you can just think of a free tier strictly as a test drive. It is great for checking out the tool's speed, but you cannot use it to turn a functional content workflow. You cannot use it to run a functional content workflow. Okay, and the second category in our video is going to be the starter plan for the occasional creator. Doesn't really sound good, does it? So if you need to actually download your videos, the first paid step is the starter plan. If you choose to pay month to month, it sits at $22 a month. However, if you toggle over the annual billing cycle, the price drops by over 20% down to $18 a month. This tier is designed explicitly for individual creators who are polishing videos occasionally and need standard editing features. So the starter tier opens up the gates by giving you 10 video exports per month. Just like I told you, if I go into editing my video, we can export 10 videos. Then next, your maximum file size limit jumps all the way to 3 gigabytes, allowing you to drop in high quality raw files. Also performance-wise, the big upgrade here is the B-roll library. So in order for me to show you, once again, this is going to be in the video editor. You go to B-rolls, and in here you will have your library. The system switches from standard Pexels clips, like I mentioned in the free tier, over to premium iStock media assets, which completely changes the visual quality of your automatic overlays. You also unlock their automated AutoCut editing feature to cleanly scrub out dead space in your clips automatically. And if you already know which production tier fits your current video volume and want to lock in an extra discount on these core rates, make sure to click my link down below in the description and use the code JohnCarloCores10 at a checkout to get yourself 10% off your subscription selection. Okay guys, and now we are moving to step 3 or section 3, the Pro plan, which is the sweet spot for content creators. So the Pro tier, this one is the absolute sweet spot if you are a business owner or a dedicated creator looking to post content consistently. Paid monthly, this plan runs $49 a month, down from a regular rate of $79. If you commit to the annual plan, it drops down to $39 a month, saving you 40% overall. The massive differentiator here is completely unlimited video exports. You no longer have to ration your content or calculate how many files you have left for the month. The Pro plan also increases your monthly video upload allowance to 30 videos and grants you 2 user seats instead of just 1. Feature-wise, this is where the premium tools fully unlock. You gain access to their personalized AI scriptwriter, an expanded allowance of 100 viral video researches or searches, direct voice recording, and advanced video analytics. So the features that are logged behind a paywall, you can find them right over here, right? We have the scripts, calendar, discover, this is the search I just mentioned, and analytics. Most importantly, it gives you the AI persona and branded preset features. This allows you to train the AI on your specific brand look, logos, and style preferences so that every single video it automates matches your unique aesthetic out of the box. Okay, section number 4, the team plan and the onboarding package. So for agencies, production companies, or marketing teams collaborating every day, you have the team plan. So billed monthly, it sits at $149 a month, but on the annual tier, you can also switch, guys, don't forget. It drops down to $89 a month. So this tier expands your capacity to 50 video uploads per month, gives you the 5 full user seats, and unlocks unlimited viral video searches. It also opens up core group features like team collaboration directly inside the editor dashboard, a custom brand kit manager, and multi-account social media publishing. Now, if you are looking to scale up incredibly fast and want a white glove setup, look at their limited time onboarding package banner. So if you want to find that, you go to pricing and look for it here, or you can also go to the home tab and you'll find it there as well. Let's see the details and let me explain.
Hi everyone, this is Harris.
So for a flat $299, they bundle a one-on-one custom founder setup build completely around your specific business goals, along with 3 full months of the Pro plan included. It also features a 3-day money-back guarantee, making it a zero-risk way to completely automate your production workspace. Okay guys, so even though I explained to you how everything works and now you pretty much have, I think, a very good idea about the plans, what I recommend doing, guys, is just go ahead and log in into your account. And guys, just go ahead and browse the website, browse the interface and the layout, and see the features that you do or do not need. This will pretty much give you a good idea about what you want to pay for or not. As you can see, for example, if you want to try scripts, we actually have a very handy demo that you can just, get into and see how this works. Also, as you can see on this screenshot, let me go back. We also have Levio. I explained about Levio a bit in the previous videos I've done on this JupitrrAI. It helps you automate stuff, generate your briefs, your scripts, right? And maybe assist you with your video production. So just go ahead and try using some of these features so that you have an idea, do I want to actually pay for this? Okay guys, and now let's get into the conclusion. So yeah, it just makes sense if you are just getting started, just use the free tier to test the waters, skip the starter plan if you produce more than 2 videos a week, and jump straight into Pro to unlock unlimited exports and the iStock media engine. That is it, guys. Also make sure to click that link down in the description right now to use and have this discount with the code JohnCarloCorestan to grab your 10% savings today. Drop a comment below letting me know which tier makes the most sense for your workflow, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.